guys? Thanks for watching another video. As you guys can see, it's raining out and I have the E36 out, and there's only one thing we could possibly be doing today. We got an E36 that's stick, we got wet floors, we got rain. Let's go take this thing out to drift. So I woke up this morning and it was drizzling out. It was kind of raining, not really, but I told myself if it starts raining, I'm gonna pull the E36 out, pull the GoPro out, and get some cool content for you guys. I cannot believe it's actually raining out. That's crazy. As you guys know, I live in SoCal, Southern California. It really doesn't rain much here, especially this time of year. I got water spots everywhere. But anyways, today's gonna be a really cool video. I'm gonna put the GoPro back on and we're gonna do another point of view video. I know you guys absolutely love those. They're so much fun. I just put the GoPro on, go drive around. Today we're gonna get a little crazy. All right, let's do this. You guys wanna know a cool thing? That this E36 has a perfect slot for my vlog camera. Tell me this isn't meant for a vlog camera. It fits perfectly. All right guys, so if I'm not mistaken, I think this is the first time I'm driving the E36 in the rain. I think. So wish me luck. And the first time driving stick in the rain. But guys, I've been driving this car a lot more often because, as you guys know, my E92 transmission, it took a crap. So I got no E92 right now. This is the only car I have. But I mean, hey, how can I complain? This thing's so much fun to drive. Oh, water. I did not want to rip my lip off. The streets are flooded. Oh my god, dude. So today I think I'm going to the same spots that I usually go to all the time for these videos. Gonna go somewhere where I know there's no cops, no cars, and no obstacles I can hit. I really want to do some more donuts in this car. This car is so much fun to drive and whip around. So definitely gonna do some more donuts. I really want to try a standstill burnout too. See if I can make that happen too. Hopefully, like always, hopefully we don't run into any cops today. This shit just slides so easy. I honestly need to be careful, guys, because the last thing I need is for this car to go into that wall and I have no car for Beamer Fest. So much fun to drive. If you have never driven the E36, please get behind the wheel one because it feels like a little race car or something. I don't know. It feels like a toy, dude. It's so fun. What the heck? Look at that bird. He's just sitting in the street. Woo. Another cool thing that I love about this car is that it saves a lot more gas than the E92. Yesterday I went to Orange County. You guys saw the last vlog, and I only wasted half a tank. And usually in the E92, I'll go through a full tank going there and back. All right, guys, back at the spot that I found last time. I'm gonna try to do some donuts, but I'm trying to make sure I don't see any cops. Oh shit. Traction control is on. Usually the street's dead. No one comes over here, but for some reason cars just keep coming by and then turning around, coming by, turning around. So let's just get some donuts in and let's dip. So sick. How to get the other angle. I think I was on this very street when I mentioned to you guys, I can't wait till I have an E36 drift car or something along them lines. I can't wait to have like a drift car, and I made it happen. I got an E36 now on the same street. It's freaking sick. And guys, this steering wheel is so much better. I think last video I had the steering wheel that the car came with, but this steering wheel is so much better. It feels so much nicer to grip. And when you're doing donuts, it just feels so much better. I honestly can't believe how much I've done to this car in such a short matter of time. Steering wheel, shift knob, wheels, new tires. I raised the car up a little bit. New lip. Took out all the Gucci stuff, if you guys remember that. New seats. I've done a lot, guys, and I don't know what to do next. So help me out. Comment down below what else you think I should do to this car. I know I want to turbo the car. That's definitely going to come soon, but what other little mods can I do? I'm really thinking about putting that wing on the car, guys. I think I've showed you guys in a past video. I'll put a picture right here. But I'm thinking that wing on this will look so good. And do you guys think I should make this car louder? I like how it sounds. It's not too loud, not too quiet. Has a nice tone to it. Let me know if you guys think I should make it louder. Or just straight pipe it for a video. I think that would be pretty funny. I've always wanted to do a standstill burnout. I don't even know if it's possible right now, but I'm gonna attempt it. Let's see if I can do it. First burnout ever in this car and in the stick shift, the manual. First try. Smells like tires. I'm literally beating these tires up, dude. Just for you guys, for some vlog content. All right, guys, we're gonna go pick up one of my homies. He has no idea what I'm about to do, but this guy is super scared of fast cars. He's terrified of drifting a car. Honestly, every time he's in a car with me, he's terrified. So I think it'll be funny to get his reaction to me doing a donut or whipping a corner or something. He's about to be so scared, dude. Why are you not amazed? You're not amazed? Impressed? Oh my goodness. I had one hand because I saw the GoPro move and I wanted to at least get the shot. You like that? Can't lie, baby. Was it fun? No. You don't think that's fun? No. I could do that all day long. Literally. I literally been doing that all day today. Oh my god, my car got so dirty doing all that. Look how dirty this shit is. No way, dude. All that dirt and rain. Let's take a couple photos. I don't think I've ever shot the car with the headlights on. Woo. And I think we're good. You want a picture? All right, guys. Like always, I'll put the photos on the screen. Alright, well that was fun. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Super fun to make. Like, I freaking love making these point of view videos. Thank you, Heliodoro, for being extra. I don't know what, helping me make this video. Like I said, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Smash the like button for those donuts and those little drifts around the corner. There's a track pretty close to my house, about like 10 minutes away. It's called Adam's Drift Track. A lot of you guys have probably heard of it, but I want to take this car there and try to actually drift the track. I think that'll be so fun. That place is pretty cool because there's not much places you can hit. I think they set up tires, so like if you hit the tires, then you won't damage your car that much. But if you guys enjoyed this video, like I said, smash the like button, subscribe to your boy, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.